Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adventure Sagas. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for liking it and subscribing to it. So I was privileged to take a walk to Nairobi National Park for a safari. So let's get along as I show you how Nairobi National Park safari walk section is.
Unaweza continue from whatever.
Welcome back again. So we have this is the antelope, the small one of an antelope. It's a baby antelope. It's eating and grazing nicely on the wilderness as we view it. So Nairobi National Park is a very beautiful place. This is where you view the animals on their natural habitat. They are not enclosed or closed in some sections. So that makes it different from the zoo. So welcome back. The next section is the hyena. We'll be able to see the hyena on the natural habitat. This is one of the rarest animals. They tend to hide themselves during daytime and come out late in the evening to scavenge for food. So let's hope we'll find it and see it closely. This is also a different section where we'll be able to see white and black Columbus monkey. They're in their natural habitat. They are enclosed here so that we are able to see it. You can see the perimeter wall plus a chain link to enable them to control them so that they don't move away for the for the visitors to be able to see them. So let's get ahead. Welcome to another interesting section. We are able to see the rhino on its natural habitat. Rhino is one of the biggest animals amongst the big five. It has two horns on its front head, so you have a bigger horn, and there's another one for self-defense. It is one of the animals that is very aggressive in the wilderness if you cross the territory. So you can see them feeding on grass just like So let's keep moving and see. We also have various birds, forest birds. Those birds who stay in the forest, they creep all around the ground, and those ones who fly up high like the eagle, we'll be able to see them. So let's get along. And here we come to the most interesting place where we find the lion. We have the male and the female lions, the African savanna lions, the most aggressive lions in the world. So let's get along and see them in their natural habitat. As you can see, this is the male one, the male lion sleeping and resting around. We also have the female far behind there. You'll be able to see it as soon as it wakes up. The most dangerous one, as you can see, it has woken up, it is stretching and stretching. So it seems to have seen and noticed a bird that has come close to the territory. And now he is woken up to investigate and see what's going on. So once again, I want to welcome you to my channel, Adventure Sagas. Always be watching my videos, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the channel together as I continue to bring you very raw content like this one. This is only can be found in African savanna, the lion, most aggressive lion. So subscribe to the channel, share it, recommend to a friend, share a comment down there so that we can grow together. You can always visit our parks by the time. Just make a reservation, visit our country, and you will be able to be taken around and see all these animals we are talking about in its natural habitat. So let's subscribe and grow the channel together. Adventures, I guess.
So, inafanya nini sasa?
Nasusu. This thing is bad. Why is it's very sharp.
Hi. Where you going? Wow.
Inasemekana the male kama huyu analala masaa mengi sana. Yeah.
Sababu ina kazi ya kufanya.
In 24 hours it can sleep like 17 hours.
Kama nyinyi tu hamnanga kazi ya kufanya.
Unakula once ama twice a week.
That was so interesting. Let's move to another section. We'll be able to see a leopard on top of the tree. So most leopards, they like to rest and hide on top of trees because they are camouflaging so that they can hunt. Whenever they are not hunting, they sleep up the highest in the tree. So the good thing with Nairobi National Park, we have an elevated part where you can walk, you can take a walk and view the animals underground on its natural habitat as they feed and rest. So let's get along and see. So up there we are able to see the leopard. It's camouflaging, it's up in the tree. In the native language we call it chui. So they're sleeping up there. Let's just walk along this elevated platform and see what kind of animals we can find them. It's so enjoyable and nice to walk around. They are always aggressive. And to end our visit at Nairobi Safari Walk, this is the ostrich, one of the biggest birds in the world, on its natural habitat, feeding on grasses and insects. So it was very interesting to find it on its natural habitat. We liked it. Thank you so much for always taking your time to watch my videos. Let's catch up on another episode. Subscribe, like, and share it. Thank you.